Hi, welcome to this tutorial about gratitude certificates. I'm Stephanie, the community manager here at B1G1, and I'll be taking you through the tutorial today. Gratitude certificates are messages that you can send out to your customers, business partners, family, or really anyone that you want to thank. So here's an example of a gratitude certificate. So you're just saying thank you for being part of our community, and because of you, great things have happened in the world. And of course, we've made this really easy for you with templates available in your B1G1 account. Let me show you how to create your first gratitude certificate. Alright, so we're here in the B1G1 account now, and where you're going to find the gratitude certificates? Up here at the top, third option, share. So I'm highlighting that right now. If you hover over that option, right here you'll see gratitude certificates. So here you'll find 4 templates that we've created for you. Just have a look, pick one you like, and let's say I choose this. I'm just going to click use template. And now we're here on the gratitude certificate creator. You'll be able to change all the details. For instance, the picture. So over here you can select image. You can upload your own image. So this option allows you to upload your own image, or you can select from project images. So depending on which projects you've given to, you'll unlock the photos associated with that project, and then you can choose it. So maybe I want this instead. And after a little bit of loading, there we go, there's a photo, and you can of course zoom in, zoom out, that's up to you. You can change the title here, you can change your name here. So you'll see that every time I click on a new part, this editor on the right changes. So you can also upload a signature. So here is Masami's signature. Masami is the founder of B1G1. You can upload your own signature so that it goes right next to Masami's signature, and you can upload your own company logo to go next to the B1G1 company logo. And when you're happy with that, all you have to do is click save. Alright, so you now created your first gratitude certificate, but you realize, oops, I really want to edit something. So I'm going to show you how to edit. Alright, so I'm back in the B1G1 account on the gratitude certificate page. So instead of gallery where we are now, I'm going to head to my templates right here. So I'll click on my templates and I'll see the template that I was using just now, and I just click the pencil icon to edit it. Simple! So now you've perfected your certificate and you want to send it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm back on the certificate page again, and here's the certificate I created earlier. I'm going to click on this. So here we're going to hover, I'm going to click edit, and if I scroll down, there's this red button here that says view as PDF. So I'm going to highlight that, this button right here, view as PDF. So if you click on this, it actually saves a copy of the PDFs to your download folder. So now you have it in your downloads and you can send it to whoever you like. So that's it, you've mastered the basics of gratitude certificates in B1G1. There are also other examples included in this article below, so just scroll down and have a look. And if you have questions at any point of time, just email us at team@b1g1.com. Bye!